Hello everyone, welcome to another vlog. Today's vlog is gonna be a quick vlog because I'm about to leave maybe in 15 minutes. I do work today. Today is Sunday, and on today's vlog I'll be showing you the weather here in Colorado today. So maybe I'm gonna go down and show you the weather outside, how it's look like. So it's snowing right now. So today's weather is cold. We got snow today. So yay! Good luck. It's freezing. It's cold day outside. So ayan guys yung likod ko. It's snowing today. So this is how it's look like. Dito lang ako guys sa may harap ng pintuan kasi medyo may dito, may bubong. Hindi pwedeng mabasa ang camera. So that's how it's look like outside. Ooh, it's cold. So, ayun guys yung weather ngayon dito sa amin. So, it's a quick vlog guys, showing what's the weather here in Colorado. So, hello everyone. I just got home from work. No, I got home around an hour an hour already. So I got a package and we're gonna unbox it tonight so that I can open it already. And ooh, this is too bright. The new lights in the living room, honey, it is so bright. My camera is nice. My camera is always nice to me. So my camera is listening to me, by the way. So we're gonna do an unboxing tonight. So guys, let's start. Oh, I love the lighting here. By the way guys, we are already almost done with the living room. Dan already set up his what do you call it? I forgot. What do you call it? I forgot. I can't remember. Desk. Oh my god. It's in my mind, I can't say it. So Dan already set up his desk, so we're gonna continue that tomorrow. We'll see if I can vlog tomorrow because I'm off tomorrow. I don't have work tomorrow. So let's open this box guys. Because by the way, this is for Halloween. This is a Halloween candy. We just got it today, this morning, and I haven't opened it because I do work today. I don't have time to unbox it, so now we're doing an unbox for that candy. Oh, so yeah, this is it's a big, but you're gonna hear them. So it's just a giant bag of candy, and Milky Way, Musketeers, Snickers, and Twix. So 4 types of chocolate inside. So yay! So by the way guys, every time winter here, my skin's so dry and all my skin is cracked, and every time I wash my hands it's burn. It's burn, and yeah, it's sore. So that's it. Dan is in the kitchen and he's doing a salsa. So we don't have a lot of salsa, we just have a little bit left over. So now we have tomatoes and some flavor, and then making
some flavor. You have no idea what I'm doing.
Whatever. What are you doing, by the way?
I am adding to the salsa we have with
Okay.
whatever we have.
Okay. And that's
So
it.
we got a little bit of banana peppers.
Uh-huh.
I think they're delicious in salsa. Some people can disagree with me, but I don't care.
Okay.
And we might have jalapenos. I added hot sauce already. Added some spices. Tempted to cut up an onion, but pain in the butt. Time consuming, makes your eyes burn.
Yeah.
And then I found this in the fridge and I'm like, God, I totally love green salsa. I'm just gonna go ahead, tomatillo.
Yay! So this is how it looks like, guys. Yeah, it's gonna be look good and taste good. That's right. It's gonna be taste
One's a
good.
bit hot.
Oh my god, that is really hot. And yeah, that one. Oh, it smells so good. The banana pepper, it smells so good. Banana pepper. This is the banana. This is we're using banana peppers. It smells good. I love it. Honey, I'm using the UV filter right now. I put it on my lens.
That's hot.
Yeah, you see it? So see how it's different, guys. So I like the. It is not like changed. It's still the same, kind of.
You're not out in the sun, so it's
Oh.
unnecessary.
Okay.
That's what it's for.
Oh, okay, yeah. So yeah, I like kind of I want to put it on my lens so that my lens not like it help protect my lens, not getting dust or scratching my lens. So I'm keeping that UV filter on my lens though. So yay!
Okay.
Hiningal ako sa pag-akyat sa hagdanan. Okay, dito ko na i-end tong vlog na to. And then, munti ko nang makalimutan. Dalawang beses na to nakalimutan ko. Hindi ko maalala. So, dito ko na guys i-end yung video na to. Pero bago ko i-end, may nagpapa-shout out. So, isa-shout out natin si, I'm not sure if I'm gonna say it, pronounce it right, her name. So, shout out to you, Janilyn Narvaez. So, hello. Shout out to you. So, that's it for today's vlog, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next vlog. Bye!